Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to review the Gencraft website, so stay with us up to the end to see how can it be useful for you all. Okay everyone, in this video we have gencraft.com. You can see it, so you can see the last generated uh, images from this site. So you just have to click on generate, sign up with Google, wait to be open, confirm. So now I'm signing up. So let's go or skip. Welcome to Gencraft. Skip. You can see the prices in here. It has video generator, my models, add image reference, photo booth, magic edit. In this video we're just gonna go with the image generator and describe your creation in details, or add your photo. We are gonna say create me a gaming logo for YouTube channel, and this one or this one. Okay, you can in here enhance prompt and generating. It is generating for you. This is a gaming logo. It is coming. It is like Minecraft. You can see it. Apple from Minecraft. No way. We are gonna select cyber and writing again gaming logo cyberpunk. So what it will generate for you. We are waiting. Wow, this is cool. You can see this is so much good. This is generated by AI Gencraft, and if you upgrade you can also download this, download as HD. But if you don't have wow, this is so cool. It has a lot of wow, this is too much cool. You can use this site. And if you don't have upgraded, still you left 8 prompts remaining, and you can generate next 8 prompts. So I'm gonna try it out again, like Mr. Beast X News logo. See how it can surprise me for my channel. So waiting. Because we had selected the cyberpunk mode, that's showing you this result. You can come on gaming mode, realistic, 3D, isometric, or even no style. Let's see what it can create you with no style. He is still waiting. It's not good at all. Let's go with realistic mode and see the result in the realistic mode. We are waiting. And this one, in here it's right, Mr. Beast. and it has a camera to record some things. And here also it is writing Mr. Beast, but if you go with gaming, let's see the next prompt. It is also good, but in here just Mr. Beast and next 10 years and go with realistic. To see the result you have to wait next. Waiting. I don't know which, if they know Mr. Beast or don't know. You can write Jimmy Dean also. Okay, anyway, it is so great site that can generate uh, AI images for you. It's called Gencraft. If you like to see like these videos and reviewing the different sites, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel and I will start uploading more. If you have any answer, if you have any question, suggestion or anything, you can just comment for me. Bye for right now.